How to change font on Facebook post text. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to change the font of your text in a Facebook post. Let's dive right in. First, create a regular Facebook post just like you normally would. I've already typed out my status. And then here you only see options to change color but no option to change the font. So for this you'll need another app, or you can also open it in a browser. What you have to do is copy this text and then go to this website, that is lingojam.com, and then paste your text. This generates fancy text that you can choose from. That you can choose any font that you want. There is italic fonts, there are bold fonts, there are emojis. Now what I want to choose is I want to choose an italic font. So I'll choose this one. I'll select it and I'll go back, delete this one and paste the font. And there you go. A different kind of font has been pasted here, and you can post it and other people will see the fancy text. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.